Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled cucumbers with vinegar. First, choose small, firm cucumbers, ideally about 3 to 5 inches long, for optimal crunch and flavor. Next, gather your ingredients for the brine: water, vinegar, pickling salt, and a touch of sugar. Sterilize your jars and lids thoroughly to prevent spoilage and ensure a safe, delicious batch of pickles. This initial preparation is key to a successful pickling process. Now, let's infuse some amazing flavor into your pickles. Place fresh dill sprigs, garlic cloves, and a teaspoon of mustard seeds into each sterilized jar. Carefully pack your prepared cucumbers vertically into the jars, making them as snug as possible without crushing them. Then, slowly pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring they are fully submerged. Leave about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar for proper sealing. After filling, gently tap the jars to release any trapped air bubbles, or use a clean, non-metallic utensil to push them out. Wipe the rims of your jars meticulously to ensure a perfect seal, then place the lids and screw bands on finger tight. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your altitude and jar size. This step is crucial for long-term preservation and safety. Once processed, carefully remove the hot jars and let them cool undisturbed on a wire rack for 12 to 24 hours. You'll hear the satisfying pop as the lids seal. Store your finished pickled cucumbers in a cool, dark place. For the best flavor development, allow them to cure for at least 2 to 3 weeks before enjoying. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to read while you wait, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.